Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another good question from the topic of work, time and distance, and the question has been taken from the CAT 2023 exam slot 3. Now the question is as follows: Gautam and Suhani working together can finish a job in 20 days. If Gautam does only 60% of his usual work on a day, Suhani must do 150% of her usual work on that day to exactly make up for it. Then the number of days required by the faster worker to complete the job working alone is. So this is an integer type question, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come back to the video for the solution. So according to our given question, we are given that Gautam and Suhani working together can finish a job in 20 days. If Gautam does only 60% of his usual work on a day, Suhani must do 150% of her usual work on that day to exactly make up for it. Then the number of days required by the faster worker to complete the job working alone is. So in such questions, when we have to find the work done in certain days or when we have given the efficiency, the best way to solve such questions is to take the number of units of work done per day. So let's take that Gautam does X units of work every day and Suhani does Y units of work every day. So Gautam has doing X units of work per day and Suhani does Y units of work per day. So working together, they can finish the job in 20 days. So the total work is nothing but 20 into X plus Y units, where X plus Y is the total work done in a single day. So in a single day, X plus Y units of work is required. Now in the question, it is given that if Gautam does only 60% of his usual work on that day, so if he does 0.6x of his usual work, then Suhani must do 150% of her usual work on that day. So we can say that 0.6x plus 1.5y is nothing but x plus y, that is the amount of work required to match the day. So if we can find a relation between x and y from this linear equation, then we'll be able to solve our question. So if we have that, we'll have 0.4x is equal to 0.5y. So we have got that x is equal to 1.25y, or we can say that y is equal to 0.8x. So we can simply see that Gautam is the more efficient person because 1 unit of y, that is 1 unit of work that Suhani does, it is 0.8x unit of work that Gautam does. And since we have to find the number of days required by the faster worker to complete the job working alone, then we are asked that in how many days Gautam will complete the work. So if we can see that y is equal to 0.8x, so every day x plus y units of work is required. So basically it is x plus 0.8x, that is equal to 1.8x units of work is required every day. Now the total amount of work was 20 into x plus y, which is equal to 1.8x. So the total amount of work that is required is 36x. Now since Gautam does x units of work every day, the total number of days required by him is 36x by x, that is equal to 36 days. So the number of days required by the faster worker to complete the job working alone is 36 days. So that's how we got our answer. So I'll repeat once again what we have done. We have taken the number of units of work that each worker does every day. For Gautam, we have taken x units. For Suhani, we have taken y units. Then we have calculated the total amount of work that is required, that is 20 into x plus y, where x plus y units are the number of units required to finish the job done in one day. That is the amount of work that is done in one day. Now, according to our question, it was given that 0.6x plus 1.5y is same as x plus y. So from this, we have got a relation that x is equal to 1.25y or y is equal to 0.8x. And now from here, we have got the amount of work done in terms of x per day that was equal to 1.8x. So the total amount of work is 20 into 1.8x, that is 36x. And from here, we got that the number of days that were required by Gautam to do the work alone was 36 days. So our answer is 36 days.